how to buy Dogecoin right on the Mexi platform, crypto platform. Very simple and very easy. My name is Adam Shelton. Let's dive into let's buy some Dogecoin. Now, the first thing I want you to do is click on the link below, get registered for the Mexi account where we can buy Dogecoin. Second thing is it says buy crypto. You want to go there and quick buy and sell. Here, we're going to buy USDT, but we can swap that for Dogecoin. So you need USDT to be able to do that. If you don't have that, you can buy it right here and you can choose different type of currencies for you can go ahead and use. So USD, Euro, all that jazz. After you buy your USDT from here, then you go right to this says spot and then trade. This is where you can trade, buy and sell your Dogecoin or any cryptocurrency for that. Now, from here, you want to go to the search bar, look for there, and just type in Doge. We're looking for the trading pair of Doge and USDT right there. Once that happens, it's going to reset itself, and now it's going to be Doge, USDT, the price, the chart, and down here is where you'll buy right here. Now from here, you can just go ahead and start buying the Dogecoin of how many you feel like you need to buy. You put the amount there and you buy your Doge. Over to the right, this is how you sell your Doge back to USDT once you're ready to go ahead and make that transaction. All that will happen right into your account that'll be under here, and check out your profile and all your account needs. That's how you buy Dogecoin. Very simple and very easy on the Mexi crypto account. Don't forget to register right below. We can get started. My name is Adam Shelton. Let's buy some Dogecoin today.